Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a little more interior detail from my bullet bill blaster mock. I had seen some requests in the comments for a little more explanation of how to build this, and since I'm taking apart some mocks anyway, I thought I'd dig into it as I take this one apart. As you can see, if you watch the other video, I've already taken off the bullet bill and the hill scenery here. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to put a link in a card here and in the description, so make sure you watch that to see this in its full glory. But I've already started taking it apart, and the cannon's here ready to come off. As I showed in the other video, right, the cannon's hollow inside, so that bill could travel through there. Now, I'll show the mechanism powered before I take it apart more. So it's this sideways tank treads. On this side where it travels near the course itself, there are some wheels used to keep it flat and in tension. So I'll show that under here. Right in there, there's a wheel using some rod pieces to be able to adjust exactly where it's positioned. So I can have it just contacting this tread and keeping that side as flat as possible. Without that, you get a bit too much kind of wobble, as you see more on the other side. So yeah, it keeps it nice and flat and smooth on that side. So that was an important thing I added, after some testing of the model. Right, this is the platform that the hills were on to hide when the bullet bill was going back around behind the scenes before it got shot out of the cannon again. Okay, so that was on some jumper plates. Take this apart a bit more, right? So you can use these anti-studs in the tracks to put some 1x1 round plates there that held this plate bullet bill went on. I'm going to remove this whole structure. So there's a Technic brick under there. That these kind of gears, specialized gears that go inside the tracks, are all attached to one brick, and then you had used some bracket pieces to put these jumper plates on top. So, show it a bit clearer, right? There's the underneath bracket piece and a top bracket piece, and then it gives this snot effect here. And then this whole structure attached to some more brackets supported by some tiles. So it's pretty sturdy like that. And then we've got a gear here that connects to another gear. And then there's a reduction, so there's one of the little pinion gears to one of these medium-sized gears. Alright, so the motor's going through these beveled gears, transfer, from this direction of rotation to this direction, and then there's a little pinion gear there that goes to the medium-sized gear, so we get one reduction. That's the only reduction I needed here to get it to be, I think it was a pretty good speed. Now in retrospect, I probably should have had some Technic brick come out across here to support where this red bushing is, because this was kind of prone to the motor could come up off of the studs a little bit too much easily if the gears got jammed. That would cause this to kind of pop up, which was not ideal. So it could be, design could be improved there. Again, there's this kind of tensioning wheel that rides against the tracks. Suspended under there. Some clip pieces attached to the underside. The motor, just on a brick and on some jumpers to get it the right distance from over here to mesh with this bevel gear. And then just the power wire just runs on over to the battery box. So that's it for the internal mechanisms. Let me know in the comments if you've had any success building similar MOCs or any other LEGO Mario MOCs that you're working on. Thanks for watching.